surprise for guys. So can you guess what is the surprise?
Yeah.
It was making very nice vacations.
That's
Wow.
what we are making.
So today we are
Your
going.
time is
So today is our fourth day of summer vacation. I'm so excited.
that's
to go.
what we are making.
Yeah, and I'm so excited to go in my new classes.
Me too. Then I tell you something. That's what we are making. Your time is up. You are not touching anymore.
Chances.
Wait,
So
wait,
so-
you are not touching.
So now we are gonna make something. That's what we are gonna make. And can you guess what we are gonna make?
I do.
So-
Short one.
It is. What is
Popcorn.
it?
Popcorn.
It is
Sweet
popcorn.
popcorn.
Yeah. Sweet.
Sweet and
Sweet and salt.
Sweet and
popcorns.
salt.
And you.
Whoa, look at that.
Oh my God. So where from I buy this? Come
Wash
on.
shop. Come on, I show you the wash shop.
Come on, guys.
Come on, I show you the wash shop.
It's corner shop.
I show you the corner shop.
Yeah. Today
Come on.
you are gonna see the corner shop right
And
there.
I show you inside the corner shop.
No, inside. We already go there so much times. And you are thinking about why it's in the packet. It's broken. Like salt. No, this is actually UK's styles because they have this is paper flavors.
Sweet and salt. I tell you, where did I? That's the sentence. Because I like the sweet one. That's why I tell you where did I? That's the sentence.
Okay.
Let's try to make this.
And you are thinking about why it's in packet, yeah. And because UK style is very. Come on, guys. UK. I can't tell you. UK style is
Wait,
that.
what is that?
I don't know. There's a packet, and inside is this one bag, and inside is.
Can you make some?
Okay, let's go. You.
I'm playing with the sandboy.
So now I already opened for you. Now what is inside? Oh, I see something. Oh my God, I said you. What is inside? It is one packet. I said you UK's. Oh my God. I'm so excited. Okay. I don't know what to do actually. And this is a packet. We are gonna put this in the microwave and let's see the magic. That's the start button. Okay, you can see inside what is inside. This is falling up. I can't see for right now. Oh, what is that smell? Wow, it started to bigger and bigger. And I don't know what is going on. Okay, it started to doing pulling up. Oh, look, this is big than me. Ooh. Smell, yummy, smell, yummy. Okay, there is timer now. see, there is 1 minute left now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and beep beep. Oh, started again. I don't think so. That started again. 51. Oh, that's done. I don't have any surprise. That's hot. Okay, I'm gonna take away this. Okay, that's on to eat.
Wait, I can do it.
No,
Then I try one because I can wait.
no. The brown one is sweet, and the white one, like that one, is a normal and salted.